Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm up with our weekly meal prep vlog. Thank you for loving this series so much, and I am going to share a detailed weekly meal prep today. But to learn more about it, to know more about it, to solve all of your health problems with my meal prep solution, I have written a book. Yes, and I think most of you already know about it if you follow me on Instagram. I have been working on this book since last 1.5 years, and now it's time for us to give it all to all of you and for you to enjoy it. So it's time that you can pre-book the book, and it's available. The link will be there in my description box. It has so much of details about each and everything, from our regular Indian staples to your South Indian meals, to everything in detail and the science behind it. So all the science behind meal prep and how women in our country do not actually participate in the things that they usually love to do just because they have to spend a lot of their time in kitchen. That's what we are catering to in the book, and it's a functional book. It also has a planner at the end, so it's like a lot of information, lot of function, and it's going to make your life easy, the details of which will be there in my description box. So you can just go and pre-book the book because it's going to be available in a very limited quantity first, and if you want to be the first hand user of it, you can just find the link in my description. Now let's quickly get into today's meal prep video. After having read my book, I know that you will enjoy this series much more. So let's quickly get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because I am up with these meal prep vlogs and many more videos on this channel very regularly. So yeah, let's get started. Here. Let's begin with soaking and boiling our legumes. That's like very first step. You have to soak it one day prior. We are using some rajma here. I have boiled the rajma grains here. Second, we have prepared batter with quinoa and moong dal. We have taken half of it and then blended together. Add some onions, cabbage, capsicum, carrots, some salt, red chili powder, and some baking soda. Here we are preparing a batter for appe or steamed dumplings, if you can call it, but it is having better quality protein because of the quinoa and the grain added. Also, I've added some crumbled paneer for added protein here. So just mix it well together and steam it in an appe stand or an idli stand. You can also make idlis out of it, make utpam, dosas, whatever. We have kept the half portion of the batter to be used later for the next 3 to 4 days for preparing our dosas and idlis, and this we have kept for the appe, and we're making the appe and storing it. It's like the full meal preparation that we are doing. You can also keep it as your meal builder and use it in later part of the week if you have time. So that's like up to you and how you want to use it. It's very convenient, very tasty. Turns out to be one of the most amazing breakfast. So if you are someone who likes authentic South Indian flavor, this is something that you're going to love with a better quality protein. So we are storing it. You can store it in refrigerator for next 2 days very easily. Next one is this dal that we are preparing. Now we are sauteing the chana dal with some rye, which is mustard seed powder, and oil. We also use some curry patta and full red chili. You're going to mix it well together. Keep half of it for the salad and half to be used later in some tadkas of curd rice or your dals. We use this tadka. You can also prepare coconut chutney with this by adding some desiccated coconut. So it becomes very quick and very easy. This flavor turns out to be really good. So we have used half for preparing salad and half we keep as it is. You can easily store it in refrigerator, the latter half, 4 to 5 days in your refrigerator. And the salad, you have to use it in 1 to 2 days itself, because we have also added some paneer and some salads there. So it's better that we use it as quick as possible. Next, we prepare these amazing iron bites, and these bites are the frozen candies that we can use later in a week that increases the consumption of carrot, beetroot and lot of spinach in our diet that boost iron intake. So we have blended some spinach, carrots and beetroot, also lemon, because that increases the absorption of iron in our body because of the vitamin C that it has. We are going to blend it together with lemon and some salt and then refrigerate it. Actually, you're going to deep freeze it, and these frozen candies then can be used to prepare warm, lukewarm teas, or just add water and have it. You can store it in refrigerator for 8 to 10 days very easily. Next, we are preparing this amazing probiotic addition to your lunch. Now, we have added some oil, garlic, sesame seeds, and a sauce of your choice. I've used sriracha here. And then we are going to add our cucumbers and cabbage and eat it for about next 6 to 7 days. Next, what we did was soaking our kathira gond. Now this is amazing. 2 to 3 bites of kathira gond just turns into a very soothing, gut healing kathira gond. You can just add some water, or you can add some milk to it and enjoy it in summer season. It turns out to be really amazing. So you can keep it in refrigerator for about next 7 days. Just add some water and it soak that water and increase in volume. So yeah, that really turns out to be a great addition to your summer meal plan. Next up, we have the boiled rajmas. We divide into 3 parts. First part, we are going to crush it, mash it, add these vegetables and oats to convert into rajma tikkis, because they are very convenient to be added to any sandwich or wraps, or just have as it is. We are just keeping it by turning them into tikkis, and whenever we want it, we can just slightly saute it on the pan, and we are good to go. This really turns out to be good and tasty. You have to deep freeze it for the next 7 to 8 days. Next, we are making rajma hummus. Now it will act as an amazing protein addition to our sandwiches, wraps, or you can just enjoy your tikkis with it. I've added rajma paneer. You can also take tofu, add garlic, olive oil, and this turns out to be pretty tasty and a very creamy hummus. You can also enjoy some vegetables with it. You can store it in your refrigerator for 5 to 7 days and enjoy it with variety recipes. It is one of the great meal builder and an addition to your regular meals. Next, we make the dessert of the week, which is like one of my favorite, and you will not realize, but we are using lauki, which is bottle gourd, for the dessert. We are steaming this up with some salt so that it softens up. Then we add 1 scoop of protein powder, some dark chocolate, oats, and blend this together to give us a chocolatey lauki mousse. It turns out to be really tasty. You can top it with some pecans and you are almost done for the day. Meanwhile, we are also keeping our rice and some rajma ready. So whenever you want it, add some puree to the rajma and enjoy your rajma rice. So this is how you sort your entire week. It turns out to be pretty tasty and amazing. We have added 1 scoop of protein powder as well in our dessert, because that ensures added protein with your dessert bites as well. So yeah, this turns out to be one of my favorite desserts with a hidden vegetable in it, and your kids and family are going to love it. So that's it about today's video. I hope you will find it useful. I hope you liked it. It's like simple ingredients that we use for multiple variety recipes. We repurpose them so that throughout the week you don't have to waste like a lot of time. Simple preparation and detailed understanding of how meal prep works. If you want to get into that much detail and want to help you and your family save a lot of your time while cooking, then you can just check out my book that you can find in my description box below. I'll be very excited to give you my signed copy. You will be the limited people who will get these copies because we have very limited batch. So check out the link in my description and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay happy. Bye.